Hello, good morning. I'm doing my morning rounds and I've just got to quickly put these eggs away. Eggs. See, that's just one of the new things that's happened in the past month. But yeah, let me put the eggs away, like I said, and I'll be right with you. Welcome to Drieschta. This is the September update.
You can do anything you want when it's good for you and good for everyone.
Oh, and I can't forget the litter bin.
Well, there's no need to wait, just activate. Do what you can with what you've got.
Right, August and part of September, we've been really busy around the house and the outside. Remember there was 2 boxes there that we used for removal, yeah? Well, those 2 boxes have gone. Yay! Plenty of space now, can get work in there. And those 2 boxes have been transformed into something new. Right, and in August, Sophia was here for 2 weeks, and while she was here, we transformed the donkey stable to something new. Well, we upgraded it. We got the animals. We got new animals. Okay, let me tell you, the eggs. What animals are they from? That's right, you guessed it. Chickens. A funny story of the chickens. I'll tell you about that afterwards when I show you the chicken stall. And we also got 2 cats. Yeah. And Fiona is loving them. Where's Fiona? There she is, over there. She's still the main animal, but she's loving having cats around. You won't play with it yet. We're getting there. Yeah, and the chickens, she's really good with the chickens as well. Fiona, aren't you Fiona's a perfect little farm dog, aren't you, Fiona? Yeah. Not our number 1 star, but isn't she good? Isn't she good farm dog?
You can be anything you want.
You can see it behind me, and you saw it in the first video. That is our bar 61, and today, on Saturday, the 17th of September, is the first day it's open. From now on, when you come up here, you can have a beer, glass of wine, some syrup, whatever you want. It's there. The bar's always open. And if we're not here, it's self-service. Help yourself. Just leave some money in the till, all right? But let me take you a bit nearer. It's so good. I'm so proud of it.
When you is who you is, playing your own part. Well, it's alright to listen to suggestions, but just be who you are. 'Cause it's gonna be right. It's gonna be right. Put your mind to what you want. Write it down every night. 'Cause it's gonna be right. When the time is right, well, you can't go wrong when it's right.
You've got to excuse the hoodie. I need it. It's a bit fresh this morning. It's still very early in the morning, and it's a bit chilly today. Autumn's coming. Right. So anyway, here's the bar that we built. My dad will help me out with it, and Claudia, of course. So we've got the hatch, which you can stand under. Obviously, you get a bit of shade. We've got a fridge, so it's all cooled and chilled. We've got local wine, we've got local syrup, and we've got apple juice, freshly made apple juice, which is also local. The bar, obviously there's a table there, but what I'm pretty chuffed about is my chair, my throne. Throne for 2, please. You can sit here. You put your beer there, or here in the middle, You hold hands with your dearest. Yeah, that's bar 61. Open from now on. Something else that's happened in this August is we've upgraded our solar. We've got the solar here, we've got solar up there.
And you can have anything you want.
We've got a lot more solar, so I can charge my phone and computer whenever I want. The terrace, it's not quite finished yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. It's nearly finished, but not quite. We've also been doing in the meantime. We've been doing a lot. We have. See the walnut tree behind us? We've started collecting walnuts.
When you realize the best things ain't things at all, and what you have improves with gratitude, so just love what you've got.
Yeah, and we've got rose hip. We even made our first syrup. Yep, we made our own syrup out of mulberry bush berries. Alright, but now I'm at the donkey stall. Can you see the difference? Can you spot the differences? See? Alright, so the fence is new. Yeah, that fence is new. Built that with Claudia.
You can grow anything you want.
There's going to be a door here, a door here, and it's going to come all the way down there. Yeah, so that's going to be the whole donkey area. Donking sheep and goats, yeah. And then if we go in here, Sophia and her friend, they cleaned out all the floor because there was a lot of dirt on the floor. And then Sophia had the great idea, there's our winter gas storage, to build a door. Yeah, in the back of the donkey sheep area, we've built a door, Sophia and I. And down here, you can see this area here, but it still looks like a tip and a mess. That is going to be our compost, our main compost compound. Walking to the end of the donkeys, we come here to our chicken hatch. See, and there's the second box. Recognise it? Glad and I built that.
You can grow anything you want if it feeds your soul and anything beyond. Well, you'll have way more if you share it round, so give it everything you've got. And it's gonna be right, it's gonna be right. Put your mind to what you want, write it down.
We have two chickens, well, three chickens, sorry. Janice and Billy. That's Janice and that's Billy. Billy's got the nicer feathers at the back. Yeah, and then somewhere in here, we've got Ellie, but let me go find her. Ellie is laying an egg. That's actually quite funny that she's laying an egg right now, because when we got Ellie, she was called Elvis. And we thought it was a rooster. That's why we got her. because the person who had her couldn't have a rooster because she was crowing and she lived in the neighbourhood. She was proper crowing like a crow. Yeah. But we brought her up here and we got the two ladies for her, Janice and Billy. And then, all of a sudden, Elvis started laying eggs. So yeah, we've had a gender topic anyway. But now we've called it Ellie. Elvis is gone. It's now Ellie. We've sorted out the gender. We all know where we're at and it's all good. But let me show you the rest of the chicken stall. See, so there's the boxes to lay the eggs. Some food and water down there. And now this, the perch. This is actually pretty cool. Not quite sure where we saw this idea, but it's a good idea. I can just fold up the plastic like this. And then pull it out and dump it in our compost area. Isn't that a great idea? This month I've not been working on the Waterworks too much, but what I did do with the water is I switched it off.
Every night, 'cause it's gonna be
Because it's important, if you can switch water on, you've got to be able to switch it off so
when the time is right. When you come
it doesn't get dangerous. Because what we've realised up here is that the floor is so dry because it's not being watered properly in over, apparently, 100 years. Well, let's say 50, all right? It's not been watered properly in 50 years, so it is dry. Where I got the Waterworks, it's now green.
go wrong when it's right.
But that's switched off, so we've got it under control. And I've also got permission to open up the river on the other side, so the other side's going to be green as well. So soon we're going to have a proper water park all over, back and forth. Well, when I say soon, a year or two, but it's always going to be on and off, switching on and off. Right, that's the end of today, the end of my day at the bar. While being at the bar, I did worked on the stairs and worked on the garden. And we had guests on our first day. Yeah, perfect day. What a perfect day to say thank you. Thank you, universe, for letting us have this pleasure of looking after Drieschta. Paradise Drieschta, our home, our bar, and our future guest house. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next month. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. It really helps. Like the video, and if you have any questions, any comments whatsoever, I'd love to hear from you. Write them down in the comments and let's get in touch. Right, anyway, thank you, and see you in a month.